Today we are unboxing a Dometic CFX 335 portable fridge for camping. It's 36 litres and it's a compressor cooler style fridge.
Just the red iron, yeah.
That about wraps it up for this one. It's been running for an hour. It's a -20 on this cover. Scanners tells me it's -11. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. It's a portable fridge. You know, it's got. So I thought I'd leave it overnight to see if it actually got to -22, and well, the cover says it's at -22. Hang on. Let's see if there's the proof.
Alright, so Tintin hasn't yet been set up with a speed account to this email saying
Machine is telling me 12.5, 12.7, so I mean, I will take it as it's cold. It's definitely frozen. I put this cup in last night and it's definitely ice in there, so it definitely gets cold. So I think for camping purposes, that's pretty good. Pretty good features. It's very robust feeling. And yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how it performs in the field. So this has been the Dometic CFX 335.